Qala kwemidlalo yezikole sitholakala ukuthi uMnyango WezeMfundo waseGauteng wandiseke ukuthuthukiswa kwezemidlalo yezikole ngokwethulwa kweVorentoe Sports School of Specialisation egoli. Umphathiswa Wezemfundo Ezemidlalo, amasiko nobuciko egoli u-Matome Chiloane uvule ngokusemthethweni lesi sikole. Okuveza ukuthi isikole sama-38 se-Specialisation kulesi sifundazwe. Lolu hlelo kwelihlose ukukhulisa amathalenta asemasha emidlalweni ngenkathi ethuthukisa namakhono awo. Ukwethula kwenzeke I-Verentoe High School eRosemore njengoba iGauteng iqhubeka nokutshala imali futhi ekusaseni lezemidlalo kanye nemfundo.
The Gauteng Department of Education has officially launched the I-Verentoe Sports School of Specialisation in Johannesburg, marking an important milestone for youth development in the province. The unveiling, led by Matome Chiloane, introduces the 38th School of Specialisation in Gauteng, reinforcing the government's commitment to combining education with focused sports training. Hosted at I-Verentoe High School, the initiative is designed to identify and nurture young sporting talent while equipping learners with specialized skills for the future.
Our sponsors, ION, I want to sing you out and just say thank you on behalf of Gauteng government. SOSs are nothing outside sponsors. Sponsors are what makes SOSs. So I want to appreciate you and really appreciate what you have taken to do, what you have done. What I can tell you is that your money is not going to waste. There is no better place to invest as a private company, as business, than in education.
The launch reflects a broader investment in building pathways that support both academic growth and athletic excellence across the province. For Soweto TV Sport, this is Wandisa.